Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you tutorials on 3 clay necklaces. This is the first necklace and I have given a vintage look to this beautiful necklace. So let's begin. We will use the fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the components together uniformly to form the dough. We will take small portion of the dough and start giving it shape in the shape of branches of the tree. So just follow the pattern that I am following and use your imagination to make your clay necklace. So at first I am making a branch. 2 branches are intertwined to each other and this is another branch at the side. Okay, so I have made 2 branches. We will form a small piece of branch at the lower portion also. Now we will make a bead in this manner. So make a circle and make hole using any pointed object. After that we will be making a butterfly in this manner. So these are the wings of the butterfly, and when all the 4 wings are ready we will join them together in this manner. The butterfly is ready. With the help of clay tools we will make some impressions on the branches, and after that we will be making holes through which we will be passing our strings. Make the impressions on the butterfly wings too. After that we will be making small flowers. In this way we are making the petals. The flowers are not supposed to be perfect, as in nature nothing is perfect, right? And this is a vintage looking necklace, so you do not concentrate on perfection. Okay, we will be making some bell shaped flowers also. After that we will be making thin stems and intertwine them around the branches in this manner as I am showing you. Stick the stem with the help of fevicryl. So we are making small leaves and giving the leaf impression with the clay tools in this manner. We will continue decorating the branches with the stem. Finally stick the flowers that we made earlier to the branches using fevicryl. You can also use freshly prepared clay and then stick the clay pieces on top of that, so the sticking will be stronger in this case. Okay, and finally we will be adding further decorations. After that let it dry for 3 to 4 hours for hardening, and after hardening we will start painting on our work. At first paint with white color and then start painting on it finally. Paint your work based on your imagination. Is nearly complete and we will let it dry and then add a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have used the dendrite wood shine wood gloss, and this is the final look of the necklace. The glossy effect is due to the wood gloss. We will now attach the pieces together with the help of string, and finally attach the string through the holes at the top portion for tying the necklace around your neck. Further decorate your neck piece with thread beads and it is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial. So now let's move on to the next necklace. So this is my second necklace, and this is also based on a branch of a tree. So we will make a branch and then decorate it with flowers, leaves and small beads. So for this we will again use the fevicryl mouldit and mix the components together to form the white colored dough. We will take the dough and give it a shape of a branch in this manner. We will attach side branches. We will take little bit of water in the fingertip and then spread it on top of our branch to smoothen the surface in this manner. We will be using the clay tool for the branch impressions. We will be making 2 holes in both the sides through which we will be passing the string. After that we will start decorating the branch with small flowers. So we are attaching small petals around the circle that we made. Slightly bend the flower petals to give a realistic effect. Attach small buds at the end of the branches in this manner. Make bell-shaped flowers and place it at the branches too. We will continue decorating our branch with flowers and leaves and bell-shaped flowers and small buds and quickly complete decorating our clay piece. Let our work to dry for 3 to 4 hours for hardening and then start painting on it. At first paint it to completely white for the primer and then start painting on your work based on the imagination. At first we will paint the branches, so the branch is brown in color, and then we will give a black color shading for dark colored branch, and then we will start making the flowers. So we are trying to make bluish greenish kind of flowers. So at first add blue color and then add green color on top of the flower and also a shade of yellow for getting the desired color combination. However, you can paint it based on your imagination. Okay, so quickly complete the painting and let it dry out completely. And when it has dried up, just add a layer of wood gloss on top of it. So this is the final effect and it is looking absolutely stunning. We will attach the strings in the top portion through the holes, and we will also add thread beads for decoration. I hope you liked this necklace, and if you like this, then do mention that in the comment section and like this video. After this we will move on to the next tutorial. So this is a collar shaped clay necklace, and this is also a very beautiful and unique neck piece. And so let's begin with the tutorial. We will use the fevicryl mouldit as usual and mix the components together to form a white colored dough. We will take cut out pieces from cardboard in the shape of half moon and then spread the clay that you made on top of the cardboard uniformly in this manner. Okay, we will then smoothen the surface the clay using little bit of water in the fingertip, and both the pieces are now ready. After that we will start decorating the collars with clay pieces. We will also make a small bead at the center. Make holes on both the sides of both the pieces in this manner as I have shown you. After that we will start decorating our work. I have already made the clay decoration on the first collar. We will similarly make the same design on the other side also. We are making sunflower, so quickly make the flower with double layered petal Make the impression of the center using pointed object. So the flower is almost ready. We are adding the second layer of petal. Remember to stick your clay pieces with fevicryl, and the flower is ready. After that we will be adding few leaves. Give the leaf impression using clay tool in this manner, like this. Attach the leaf on the other side of the flower too. Make a small stem for decoration. The decoration is completely based on your imagination. Okay, so play with your imagination and create your unique necklaces. Finally, attach another piece of stem on this empty space to fill up the space, and finally the neck piece is ready. We will let our clay pieces to dry for 3 to 4 hours for hardening, and then we will start painting on our work. We will also make a small butterfly in the center of the bead. I forgot to mention that. So make 4 wings of the butterfly and complete your clay work, and then let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so the butterfly is also ready. So when your clay pieces have been hardened, start painting on our work. At first paint it with white colored acrylic paint, and then start painting on your work based on your imagination. We are painting the sunflower at first. And then the background of the collar. So we will quickly complete the painting and let it dry out completely, and then we will add a layer of wood gloss, and this is looking absolutely stunning. We will attach all the pieces together with thread and needle. Tie a double knot at the back side, and then we will attach a string at the top portion. And finally the collar necklace is ready. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.